Hey everyone, it's Ben from Twism. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through our new Twism merchant app. We'll cover what it does, why we built it, and how you could use it to validate redemptions and manage your team. So let's jump right in. The Twism merchant app was built to bring more confidence and control to your daily operations when validating coin and offer redemptions. Getting started is simple. As the owner, you download the app and log in using the same credentials you use when logging into the Twism portal. From there, you create your own 4-digit manager code, which gives you access to staff tools. To use the app with your team, you have two options. If you're using a shared device, you can create a unique access code for each team member, and that code will be required before validating a redemption. If your team uses their own devices, you can simply generate a secure access link and share it with them. No staff code is required in this case. All redemptions will appear in the app whether you validated through the app or not, giving you full visibility into what's happening with your business. If you manage more than one business or location, you can easily switch between them. And once everything is set, validating a redemption is as easy as scanning a QR code or entering a redemption code. If something isn't right, the app will guide your staff with clear instructional messages so every redemption is handled correctly. Let's walk through a typical redemption. If you're a manager with access to multiple locations, start by selecting the location where you're validating redemptions. Tap Redemptions, then tap Validate Redemption. You'll then enter your 4-digit code, and then tap Validate Code. From here, you can scan the customer's QR code using your camera or tap Enter Code manually to enter the 12-digit code. Then tap Enter Code. In most cases, the validation will go through right away. In rare situations, you may see an error message with clear instructions on what to do next. For example, if the customer selected the wrong location, it would look something like this. Once everything checks out, you'll see this confirmation screen with the offer details. If it looks good, just swipe to validate, then apply the discount via your POS. And that's it. The redemption is logged and assigned to the staff member that validated it. If you manage multiple brands or locations, here's how to switch between them. From the home screen, tap on your brand's coin image at the top, select the brand you want to operate under. You'll then create and confirm a new manager code for that brand if you haven't already. Then tap Create. You'll then pick the desired location under that brand and you're ready to go. This keeps everything organized so you always know where redemption took place. If your business uses one shared device for all redemptions, we recommend giving each team member their own 4-digit code. Here's how to set that up. First, select the location where you want to add someone. Then tap Manage Team. You'll then enter your manager code and tap Validate Code. To add a new member, you'll tap Register New Team Member, enter their name, then tap Create Code and tap Continue. You'll then enter their new access code. Then tap Register. From there, you can copy the code or share it with them through any messaging app. Once they have their code, they can then validate redemptions on the shared device just like you. If each staff member uses their own device, the exclusive link option is even easier. From your team manager page, tap Register New Team Member, type in their name, then select Create Exclusive Link, then tap Continue. You'll see a quick reminder to share the link, so tap Register to confirm. And now you can copy the link or send it through any messaging app. When the staff member opens the link, they'll instantly gain access to validate on their own device. And that's everything you need to get started with the Twism Merchant app. It's designed to keep validation fast, accurate, and easy for the whole team, whether you're running one store, multiple stores, or a seasonal staff. If you have any questions or want help setting things up, feel free to reach out at any time. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to help your team get the most out of Twism.